Good news for Tesla owners in the UK and elsewhere. Tesla Europe just announced Grok is rolling out to Teslas in Europe, starting today with software versions 2026.2.6, completely free, of course, via an over-the-air software update. It can answer almost any question using real-time information, intimate navigation commands, set destinations, adjust routes, discover points of interest, and even reference the vehicle's owner manual for best practices, maintenance tips, or interpreting dashboard alerts. Initially rolling out in the UK, Ireland, Germany, Switzerland, Austria, Italy, France, Portugal, Spain, and more countries to come. Seem to be just missing Australia at the moment, but you guys are still playing with FSD, so hold your horses, you'll get it soon enough. This is one of the most exciting developments in AI and electric vehicles. XAI's Grok integrated right into Tesla cars. Is this truly the voice assistant we've all been waiting for? One that actually works well? Tesla's are always at the forefront of software and tech, and this pushes the boundaries of what a car can be. A Tesla isn't just a car anymore, it's becoming a truly intelligent companion on the road. In this video, I'll break down what that means, why it's a game changer, and speculate on where it's headed. Hello, I'm Will, welcome to Tesla Jigsaw. A little word of warning though for fun sponges and those sensitive to naughty words. Grok, whether you use it in the app or in the car, has a track record of being bold and sometimes controversial. If you're a sensitive little sausage, for goodness sake, do not try Grok's Unhinged mode. You will be offended, and your instinct might be to demand censorship or cancellation altogether. So don't spoil the fun for all of us, simply rage in peace. Thank you. Our American friends have been enjoying Grok in their Teslas since summer 2025, so we've already seen glimpses of what's coming like this.
Hey Grok, take me to Market Basket and then the UPS store and then Target.
All right, navigation set to Market Basket on South Broadway first, then UPS store, then Target. It's just 0.2 miles total, arriving around 4:06.
Great, thank you.
You're welcome. Let me know if you need anything else.
You can shut off. And now she's gone. That's sweet.
How cool is that? Grok fits perfectly into Tesla. Built by XAI, Elon Musk's company if you didn't know, it's designed to be helpful, truthful and witty, unlike more censored AIs. And it's come to us after many regulatory hurdles in Europe, the GDPR, the EU AI Act, etc. You've got to love that suffocating regulation, haven't you? It's finally here and available on the Model S, 3, X and Y and the Cybertruck. Any vehicle with the AMD Ryzen processor, so that's most Teslas since 2021. To check yours, go to Controls, Software, then Additional Vehicle Information, and it'll tell you what processor you have. Grok does require premium connectivity, which is just £10 a month here in the UK, which bundles music, podcasts, video streaming, satellite maps, live traffic, karaoke, and now Grok. But the pleasure and simplicity of using it is of course is hands-free. So you just press the right scroll wheel on the steering wheel and ask away. What's the weather today? What's the meaning of life? Tell me the history of the town I'm in. Or Grok, tell me the history of electric vehicles even. Conversations are all anonymous to Tesla and not associated with your vehicle. Privacy is taken very seriously. I guess the real standout feature here is Grok's navigation superpowers. Use natural language like navigate to the nearest Italian restaurant avoiding motorways. Add a stop at a supercharger with a cafe and a toilet nearby, or plan a scenic route to the mountains with a coffee stop. It dynamically adjusts routes and handles multi-stop trips effortlessly. For now, it's focused on questions, navigation and manual references. No controlling the climate, music or other functions just yet. No doubt they'll be coming as soon as possible. But pair this with FSD, supervised, and US owners are already telling their cars where to go, planning routes with stops and letting the car drive itself. You might say that's a rather big deal in the automotive world. Personality options also make it even better. Set modes like assistant, language tutor, therapist, storyteller, meditation, doctor or conspiracy. Kid modes include kids storytime, kids trivia game, and for those 18 and above, the NSFW, which the acronym that means not safe for work if you didn't know. Modes like unhinged, sexy, motivation, romantic, or for some reason argumentative. Who doesn't love to be sat next to an argumentative passenger? You can choose personas too. Ara is an upbeat female, Eve is a soothing female, Leo a British male, Rex a calm male, and Sal a smooth male. It's available in an extensive range of languages with smooth, human-like conversational flow, perfect for learning, entertainment, or efficient navigation for all passengers. It's still in beta, so expect occasional quirks as it improves. Some US users called early versions incredibly useless without deeper integration, but others love the time-saving usefulness, and it has improved over time. But why the delay in Europe then if it was out ages ago? It was primarily regulatory approvals, strict EU data privacy, the GDPR again, and AI rules, the risk assessments and transparency, etc. Tesla is heavily privacy focused, but do review your settings and read the T's and C's if you wish. What's next then? Well, Tesla promises deeper integration and new features via free over-the-air updates in the future. Imagine controlling the air conditioning or music, or even a fully autonomous system where, I don't know, the car can anticipate such needs as servicing. It really will feel like part of the family when it can tell you it's not very well and you just go and get fixed. Long term though, this paves the way for AI-driven everything. Exciting times ahead. If you've managed to download it already and you've had a play with it, do let me know in the comments and let everyone else know who's going to read them how you got on with it. Is it good? Is it bad? Does it need some improvements? And just as soon as my car receives it, I'll be sharing that too. Do like and subscribe for more content from me. And if you missed this video, check it out next. It's a great one. I'm Will, this is the Tesla Jigsaw. Thank you patrons, thanks for watching. Bye for now.